All right, we are outside the main barn now. We'll continue over this way. This is mostly the backyard. It's kind of like, it's beautiful out here though. It's huge, absolutely huge. So we'll continue over here. So you see like kind of the barn. This is my grandfather's garden. He takes great pride in this. I'll come down during the summer. He'll give me like 4 or 5 tomatoes, couple eggplants. Delicious, absolutely delicious. So we'll continue over here. So we have like a nice little swing set. Me and my cousins would always come out here and play. Great time, great time. The Virgin Mary. Love it, absolutely love it. And then we got a gate right out here. So during the summer, if we need to get out to the summer field, boom, quick shot, we're there. So we'll beautiful pine trees, gorgeous pine trees out here. So we'll continue over here. Right here, these little bushes right here, these are the blueberry bushes. Awesome. Some of the best blueberries I've ever had in my life. Delicious blueberries. So we'll continue. So we'll just really getting like a view of that. So this is like the back of the house right here. It's just absolutely massive backyard out here. Absolutely massive. So where's the next? Oh, I'll probably head over there next, and then we'll go across the street. I know it's a little bit of a walk around this farm, but like, you know, what are you gonna do? All right, we'll go there, and then yeah, we'll do that. So over here is actually the well. We do not get water from the town. I'll actually show you where we get our water from. It's all well. It's all the well. So we'll head over here. Great water though. Great water pressure inside the house. Really enjoy it. We'll head over here next. Dude, oh, that's gonna be a fun tour. I can really get some good places. So over here, we have a nice little bridge my grandfather built. We'll head over here. So this used to be a lot nicer than it is right now, but like we don't really keep chickens or turkeys anymore. But this is where we would keep them. It's really disheveled now, but like it was actually really good when it was like working, but you know. So we would keep them right in here. Then we keep all of like the supplies over here. I'm pretty sure a lot of them got eaten by like coyotes and like shit like that, but it was good when it was like working. Like, you know, you wake up at 8, you go feed the cows, and you go get the eggs, and then you make the eggs for breakfast. My favorite part, one of my favorite parts of the actually entire farm right here, the pond. This is actually where we get our water from. There's a drain right over there that runs the well that filters the water. And this is constantly like running because it comes from like right here, like right over here. You can't really see it, but there's like a river that runs all the way up in the woods over here. And I don't know, it leads to something, but I've never been over there. And this is where we get all of our water from. It's awesome. The thing is stocked with fish. Like I'll come down here and fish, and it's like crazy. Like, yeah, you're automatically gonna catch something every single time. It's beautiful though. Like it's very nice. It's beautiful during the summer. Like it's actually such shitty weather out today, but like if you saw the farm during the summer, you'd be like, damn, this place is business. So all right, let me stop the vlog right here, and I'll continue to going across the street where things are gonna get interesting.